Good morning, students. Welcomes you all in today's online lesson organized by Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Okay. Today we will learn mathematics in scholarship. In that we see commercial maths, and today we learn profit and loss. Okay. I am Avinash Gavanji Bhoye from Mumbai Public School, Dharavi Kala Killa. Here, this is the topic profit and loss. So see, student, please read this sentence. Yes.
Ramesh brought a cupboard for rupees 560 and sold it for rupees 667.
Okay, good. Ramesh bought a cupboard for rupees.
Ramesh become a loss.
Why? Why there is loss? See, Ramesh bought a cupboard for rupees 560 and sold it for 667. So see here, he bought it for 560. Okay, 560 and sold it for 667. So he make money
Ramesh
or
became a loss
why?
because that
See,
cupboard is 560 rupees.
the cupboard is
The,
560.
he sells
Ah,
667.
then he make loss or profit.
Loss.
Loss means what? What do you mean by loss?
In Marathi, फायदा नाही झाला.
Okay, we will see. See here, he bought it for 560 and sold it for. See, what do you mean by bought? Bought
What?
means we purchase from
But
somewhere else. Okay, he purchased it at rupees 560 and sold it means he sell.
sell.
Okay, 667. So see here, this the co- the cost price is less than selling price. So he make money, na? Yes.
Yes.
So there is loss or profit. See
Loss.
here, 70060. Sorry, 77660 and 5. So he get 107 rupees more. So why there is loss? He get extra money here. So he get profit or loss. Yes. Okay, we will see. See here, what do you mean by cost price? Okay, when we buy something, we pay the cost of that thing, that is cost price. Okay, the price for which an article is purchased is called the cost price or cost of that article. So see here, there is two prices. One is cost price and second one is selling price. So when we buy something, we pay the cost of that thing. That cost called as cost price. Okay, or the price for which an article is purchased is called the cost price or cost of that article. See here, the selling price. The price at which an article is sold is called the selling price of that article. Okay, we will purchase from somewhere else and sold it at our shop. The price at which the article is sold is called selling price. See here, the same example, Ramesh bought a cupboard for rupees 560 and sold it for rupees 667. So here the cost price is, see here, the cost price is rupees 560 or rupees 667. Which one is the cost price?
560.
560, because he bought it for rupees 560 and the selling price is 600 and
667.
Let's become a profit.
because he sold it at rupees 667. So this one is selling price. Okay, now we will see this next example. Karan bought a bag for rupees 450 and sold it for rupees 500. What is the cost price and what is the selling price?
Cost price is 450. Selling price is 500.
500.
So here he is making profit or loss.
Loss.
Why?
Because he no profit.
Because see here, when there is cost price is less than selling price, so it must be profit. If selling price is greater than cost price, then there is profit.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now see here. Karan bought a fan for rupees 300 and sold it for rupees 350. So here, see which one is selling price, or sorry, which one is cost price? Can you tell me? Karan bought a fan for rupees 300. So what is the cost price?
300.
Cost price is
300.
300 and selling price is
350.
350. Here, selling price is greater than cost price. So Karan makes profit. See, every shopkeeper bought articles in low prices and purchase it at higher prices. Then they get profit. So when we want profit, selling price must be greater than cost price. See here, the cost price is 300 and selling price is rupees 350. So selling price is greater than cost price. So profit is equal to, see here, how to get profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. This one is formula for profit. See, this is formula for profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So profit is equal to rupees 300 minus rupees 300. So 350 minus 300 is equal to 50 rupees. So Karan makes 50 rupees profit. See here, profit is equal to rupees 50. Now, Sam bought a table for rupees 600 and sold it for rupees 400. So he make loss or profit?
He brought a 600.
Yes.
Loss.
Because yes,
Came a block.
because cost price is greater than selling price.
Yes.
So see here, if the cost price is greater than selling price, then loss is incurred. So loss is equal to, see, your formula is given. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. This one is formula. You have to mind it. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay. See here, how to find out loss. So Sam bought a table for rupees 600 and sold it for rupees 400. So cost price is 600 and selling price is 400. So cost price is greater than selling price. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So loss is equal to 600 minus 400. So what is loss? See, loss is given here rupees 200. Okay. Write these formulas. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, and loss is equal to
Cost
cost
price.
price minus
Price. Right.
selling price. Okay. Now we will see some examples. Question number 1. One bicycle is bought for rupees
One
1050 and sold it for rupees 950. So how much loss is incurred in this transaction? So they already given here
action.
he incurred the loss. Okay. So the
Yes.
loss is already given. So whenever there is a loss, the selling price is lower than cost price. Okay.
We want
So what is the formula for loss? Okay, first of all, tell me what is the cost price?
cost price is 1050.
1050. Okay. And selling price is
Selling price is 950.
950. So here cost price is higher than selling price. So see here, CP indicates cost price and SP indicates selling price. I am writing it in shortcut. Okay. So loss is equal to, if cost price is higher than selling price, then must be loss is occurred. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So here cost price is 1050 minus 950. So 1050 minus 950, we will get
We will get 1 minute.
yes
1050 minus
950.
we get 100 loss.
100 rupees 100. So which option is correct?
Third one.
Third one. Okay, good. Here, see the loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So cost price is 1050 and selling price is 950. So 100 is the answer. Okay, now question number 2. Asha bought 5 kg brinjal at rupees 60 and 7 kg potato at rupees 50 per kg from market. She sold all for rupees 250. Did she make a profit or loss? Or how much was it? See here, Asha bought 5 kg brinjal at rate rupees 60. 5 kg brinjal at rate 60 means this is the rate of 1 kg brinjal. Okay. So what is the price of 5 kg brinjal? We have to multiply 16 by 5. 16 by 5 is equal to rupees 80. And 7 kg potato at the rate of 50 per kg. So this is the rate of 1 kg potato. So we multiply 15 by
Multiply by 7.
7. So 15 multiplied by 7 is equal to 105. Now we will add it. 0 plus 5 5, 8 8 8, and this is okay. So see here, this is cost price. Cost price is
Became a
this is
profit.
total price is 185. So here cost price is 185 and selling price is he sold all for rupees
250.
So he make profit or loss?
Profit.
Yes, because selling price is higher than cost price. So he must get profit. So profit is equal to, what is the formula for profit?
Cost minus selling.
Selling minus selling price minus cost price.
Yes. 250.
250 minus 185. We will get 0 minus 5, 5. This becomes 4.
250 minus
Become 1. 14 minus 8, 6 rupees.
65. First option is correct.
Okay, very good. Profit 65. Okay, now question number 3. Omkar bought 2 dozen notebooks of pages 40 at the rate of
60 per.
60 per dozen. He sold it for rupees 130. Then how much profit did he get? So here already they given he get profit. Okay.
Yes.
Omkar bought 2 dozen notebooks of pages 40 at the rate of 60 per dozen. Omkar bought how many dozens notebook? 2 dozen. So 160 is rate for 1 dozen. Okay. So the rate of 2 dozen notebook is, we will multiply rupees 60 by 2. So 60 into 2 is 120. This is our cost price, and selling price is here given 130 rupees. So here selling price is higher than cost price. So what he get must be profit. So profit is
Third option, 10 of profit.
equal to selling price minus
20.
cost price. So that is 10. So which one is the correct option? Third. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. See here, illustration is given. 1 dozen equal to 12 notebooks. The cost of 2 dozen notebooks is 2 into 60, that is rupees 120. Selling price is rupees 130. In this transaction, selling price is more. So hence there is profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is 130 minus 120. He will get 10 rupees profit. Okay, now question number 4. One radio is bought for rupees
3,000.
3,540 and sold it for rupees 3,760. Did he make a profit or loss? How much was it?
Profit.
Profit. Why?
Because he brought
Okay,
three
tell me in cost price and selling price. Which one is cost price?
cost price is 3,540.
3,540. Okay, and selling price is
3,760.
3,000. So easily you will tell that selling price is higher than cost price. So he must get profit.
Profit.
So profit is equal to, here selling price is higher. So he must get profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay. 0 minus 0.
0.
6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 5 is
2.
2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So he will get
200 and
profit.
fourth
Yes,
option is correct.
fourth option is correct. Very good. Here illustration is given. Selling price is more than cost price, hence there is profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So profit is 3,760 minus 3,540. That is profit is 220 rupees. So question number 5. Pankaj bought a watch for rupees 4,770 and sold the same for rupees 4,140. So how much was this loss in this transaction?
Pankaj brought up 4,370.
Okay, so see the last line is how much was his loss in this transaction. So they already given that there is a loss.
Yes.
So in loss, cost price is higher than selling price. So here cost price is, what is the cost price?
4,370.
70, and selling price is
4,140.
so how much loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP, means selling price minus cost price minus selling price.
Yes. 0,
0 0 0, 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 4 0. So how much loss?
correct. 230.
230. First one is very correct. Cost price is more than selling price, hence there is loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Loss is equal to 230. Okay, now question number 6. One cupboard was bought for rupees
4,000.
4,500 and spent rupees 200 on transport. So it was sold for rupees 4,380 rupees. Did he make a profit or loss and in that transaction, and how much was it?
Spend means
Spent means he spent on transport, means he bought it from shop and then to bring it in home he spent rupees 200 on transport for tempo, etc. So this one is also part of cost price. So we will add 200 in 4,500. So here, what is the cost price? Cost price is
4,500.
500, and this transport is also including it 200. That is 400, 4,700.
100.
And selling price is,
Loss. Same
yes,
price.
there is loss. Selling price is
4,380.
80. Okay, so there is loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So easily we will subtract
400.
selling price from cost price. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6, 0 minus 8 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. So which option is right? Loss 3.
Second.
Yes, second one is very correct. Loss 320. See here, this is given. Cost price of cupboard is rupees 4,500. Transport charge from shop to house is 200. So transport spent is considered to be part of cost price. So total cost price is equal to price of cupboard plus transporting charge. So cost price is 4,700. In this transaction, Selling price is less than cost price. Hence, there is a loss. So, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So, loss is equal to 4,700 minus 4,380. That is 320. Okay, question number 7. Ramesh purchased a table for rupees 800. After some days, he spent 65 on repairing and sold it for rupees 890. Then how much profit did he get? Okay. Here, what is the cost price?
800.
800. So see, there is a next line also. After some days, he spent rupees 65 for his repairing. Means it must be included in cost price because he spent this money on table. So total cost price is 800 plus 65. 800 plus 65 is 865. And then selling price. What is the selling price? Yes, student. What is selling price?
890, sir.
Is 890. So here selling price is more than cost price. So what is here? He get profit or loss?
Profit.
Profit. Okay, because selling price is more than cost price.
Yes.
So profit is equal to SP minus CP. That is SP stands for selling price and CP stands for cost price. So here 890 minus 865.
Sir, I am solving the answer in my book. Can you give me some time for
Yes,
writing the
yes,
answer?
yes. You can tell me the answer. This one is fine.
Sir, the answer is. Sir, I
Yes,
got the answer is 30.
30. So here the answer is 25. See here. Third option is very right. That is 25. He get profit rupees 25. Okay, we will see the illustration. See here. Rupees 25 is correct answer. Okay, now question number 8. Sagar bought a refrigerator for rupees 11,750 and spent 700 on transport. He sold it for 12,750. How much profit did he make? Can you tell me the answer? Okay, now what is the cost price here? Yes, student. Please tell me what is cost price here? 11,750. 11,750 plus he spent 700 on transport. So transport is also the part of cost price. Okay, so we will add 700 in it. So we get so the total cost price is 12,450. 12,450. So this is cost price and selling price is what is the selling price? Yes, tell me. What is the selling price here? He sold it for rupees 12,750. 12,750. See here. So here selling price is higher than cost price. So there must be he get profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. So here selling price is 12,750 minus 12,450. So how much profit is there? Rupees 300. So Ramesh get 300 rupees profit. So which option is the correct? Yes, student. Which one is the correct option?
Sir, 300.
The first one is correct option. Good. Okay, now this one is Magan Shade bought 18 toys at the rate of rupees 30 and all toys were sold for rupees 560. Did he make a profit or loss? How much was it?
Sir, he get a profit because he sold for 560.
Okay, now tell me what is the cost price? See here, Magan said bought 18 toys at the
30.
rate of rupees 30. So 30 is a price for only for one toy. So he get total 18 toys. So what is the total cost price is 18 into 30. Okay. So 18 into 30 is, do the multiplication and tell me the answer. Rupees 540. So what is the total cost price? Total cost price is 540 rupees and selling price, here the selling price is given, that is rupees 560. So here
Sir, we have
selling,
to minus.
yes, selling price is more than cost price. So here he get profit or loss?
So he get profit.
Profit. And how much was it?
560.
What is the profit? Profit means the difference between selling price and cost price.
Sorry, sir.
560 is the selling price. So what is the profit? To get profit, what do you have to do? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP means selling price and CP means cost price. So 560 minus 540. So he must get 20 rupees. So what is which option is right?
Sir, the option third is right.
Third one is right. Okay, good. See here, one toy is for rupees 30. So total number of toys is 18. So cost price is 30 multiplied by 18. That is 540. So total cost price is rupees 540. In this transaction, selling price is more than cost price. Hence, there is a profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So profit is 560 minus 540. That is rupees 20. So third one is very correct answer. Okay, now some problems for your evaluation and you have to do it. Now read the question number 1.
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
Pratik brought one motorcycle at rupees 2,000,
This is
23,000,
20. Yes.
23,500 and sold it for 25,000.
Yes.
Did he make a profit or loss in transaction?
Okay, now tell me the answer. Did he make profit or loss?
Sir, he make profit.
And why? Profit is very correct answer, but why? Can you tell me why there is
Sir,
profit? Yes.
Sir, because
Selling price is
selling price is bigger than
cost price.
cost price.
Okay, good. So first one is correct answer. There is profit because he sold it for rupees 25,000, but he purchased it for rupees 23,500. So he get profit of rupees 1,500. Okay, now read the question number 2.
If cost price is equal to rupees 560, selling price is equal to rupees 600, then how much profit loss?
Okay, now first of all, tell me there is profit or loss?
So profit.
Profit, because selling price is higher than cost price. And how much profit? Tell me the answer. Profit is equal to SP minus CP.
Sir, 1 minute, I'm writing the answer.
Okay. How much profit is there?
Sir,
To
my
get profit, we have to subtract cost price from selling price. So 600 minus 560, we
sir, my
get,
answer it got wrong.
okay, the profit is rupees 40. So which option is correct?
Option 3, sir.
Third. Okay, very good. Now, this one is last question. Read this one.
Sudha brought 5 liters milk at 35 per liter. She sold that milk into rupees 200. Then she made profit or loss.
Okay.
Sir, so he had a profit.
Okay. Why?
Sir,
See here,
because selling price is higher than the
cost price.
cost
Okay,
price.
now first of all, tell me what is the cost price here?
35.
35 is the rate for 1 liter. So he's
Sir, 1 liter
5 liter
there is
milk.
per
Okay,
liter.
so 35 rupees. Yes, we have to multiply 35 by 5. So cost price is equal to 35 multiplied by 5. Okay, so the total cost price is 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 15. It is 175. Okay, so the total cost price is 175. And selling price is, what is selling price here? Rupees 200. So here, again, selling price is higher than cost price. Then he must got profit. So how much profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So easily we will subtract cost price from selling price to get profit. Okay, now tell me the answer.
Sir,
How much profit is there?
sir, 1 minute, I'm solving that answer. Five.
Okay, how much profit is there? Yes.
Sir,
200 minus 175, that is
sir,
20.
I got 25.
Okay, so which option is right?
Uh, option 2.
True. Profit 25. Very good. Okay. These three sums for your homework. Take a screenshot. Okay. And thank you for attending lecture. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.